In this video, I will show how to delete saved password in Chrome. First, click on three dots in top right and select last option, Settings. In Settings, click on Search and type password and click on Google Password Manager. In Google Password Manager, you can add new passwords. You can edit and delete existing ones. If you want to delete all password in one go, just click on three dots in top right again, and now hover over History and click on History. Now in left top, click on Clear Browser Data. In new pop-up, deselect data you don't want to delete. Then click on Advanced as well, deselect data you don't want to delete. And select Passwords and Passkeys. You can go back to Basic and select time range you would like to delete and press Clear Data. And now all your passwords for that time range are deleted. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.